Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are met. Install any pending Windows updates and sign into an administrator account so changes apply system-wide. Once done, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S and locate Windows Explorer. Right-click and choose Restart. This often restores the Start menu quickly. If Explorer won't restart, use File Run New Task, enter Explorer. EXE, and check for immediate response. These first actions are fast and safe. They eliminate common transient issues before deeper troubleshooting. Next, perform systematic diagnostics to repair corrupted system files. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano. This scans and repairs integrity issues. If SFC reports problems it cannot fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image, then rerun SFC. After that, re-register Start menu components using the app-x package re-registration command. This refreshes Start app links and finish by isolating profile-specific problems. Create a new local administrator account and sign in. If Start works there, migrate your data and settings. If not, perform an in-place repair using the Windows Media Creation tool. Choose Upgrade this PC to repair system files while keeping apps and files. Make sure to back up important data first. Troubleshooting tip. If none of this helps, boot into Safe Mode and test. Safe Mode can reveal driver or shell extension conflicts that block the Start menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.